Hello everybody, this is Angela. Today we are making testing for the smaller lab scale gummy candy depositor. Here is the PLC. We use Siemens, and you can put the parameters here for depositing. Volume control here. For cleaning control here, for temperature control here. So one panel you can control the machine. Here is the detector for modes. No modes, no pushing. For example, I put mode here, the detector will see the modes and pushing forward, and then go to the depositor. Here's the hopper. Here's the hopper and the depositor.
Distribution plate
Will be separated with two parts. So the modes will be you can do multicolor, like two colors, strip color, double, then down two colors. Only change this one plate. After depositing and putting manually put the modes. 那个刚才我教授了2次。Manually put the modes outside for cooling purpose. For this mode, I just now I operated to pushing 2 times, so the depositing 2 times it's overfilled. After here the modes will pushing forward step by step, and after it's cooling down, we will put one mode here for demolding. Just to push this button, and the candy will come down. It's very good.
Very good?
Yeah, very good. All clear.
All clear.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see again.
Check it. Okay.
Okay, very good.